Hi, in this video, I will show you how to fix checkout issues on Shopify. So the first thing you should do here is open your Shopify. Review payment gateway configuration. So go to settings, go to payments in your Shopify admin, confirm that the correct payment gateways are enabled and that they are active. Check the gateway provider status to ensure they aren't experiencing downtime. Also, you can go through the entire checkout process yourself to identify where the issues occurs. Use a test product and complete a purchase to pinpoint potential problems. Use Shopify's payments test mode if available, or a sandbox environment if using other gateways to check if any payment settings are incorrectly configured. Okay, once you're done here, then proceed to another method. So this time you have to ensure correct shipping settings. If customers are unable to complete checkout due to shipping issues, go to settings, then go to shipping and delivery and ensure that all shipping zones, methods, and rates are correctly configured. Double check that the shipping address your customer is using matches the zones you've set up. Another method is fixed tax and location settings. So if your store charges tax based on location, go to settings, taxes, and confirm that your tax settings are accurate for the regions where you are selling. Ensure that you have enabled calculate taxes automatically for regions requiring tax collection. Next, we have browser and device issues. Customers may face issues due to browser settings, cookies, or device compatibility. Advise customers to clear their cache, try another browser, or use a different device. Ensure your Shopify theme is optimized for mobile devices, as many users shop via smartphones. And lastly, contact Shopify support. So if the issue persists after troubleshooting, contact Shopify support for further assistance. They can help with server-side issues or more complex checkout problems. By systematically going through the steps, you can identify and resolve most checkout issues on Shopify store. So I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.